Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, make sure you have the following tools on hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and remove the swollen battery without causing further damage. Start by powering off your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. You'll want to ensure that there's no residual power in the device. Now, place your laptop upside down on a soft surface, like a microfiber cloth, to prevent scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located on the back cover. Keep these screws organized. A magnetic tray works well for this purpose. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious while doing this to avoid damaging any clips that hold the cover in place. With the cover removed, locate the battery. The swollen battery will often be visibly deformed. If you notice any signs of leakage or extreme swelling, it's critical to handle the battery with care. Disconnect the battery by unhooking the connector gently from the motherboard. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, clean the internal components of your laptop while you have it opened. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris from the fans and vents. This will help maintain optimal performance. Avoid using liquid cleaners, as they can cause damage to the internal parts. Now, it's time to replace the battery. If you have a new battery ready, position it in the battery slot and connect it to the motherboard securely. If you need assistance finding a replacement battery, you can reach out to us for a quote before repair. Once the new battery is installed, carefully reattach the back cover by aligning it with the clips and pressing down gently. Replace all screws you removed earlier to secure the cover in place. Finally, turn your laptop right side up. Plug it back into the power source, and power it on. Ensure that the new battery is recognized by the system. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about calls or travel. We make it easy for you to get the help you need without any hassle. By following these steps, you can effectively address a swollen battery in your HP 17ce1035cl. Proper maintenance and timely repairs are essential for the longevity of your laptop. Always prioritize safety and don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.